How to protect files and folders in Windows. So let's get started. Firstly, right click the folder and select Properties. You can do this in File Explorer or by right clicking any folder on your desktop. Then simply click on the Advanced. It is at the bottom of the Properties window next to Attributes. Then check Encrypt Contents to secure data and click OK. This starts the process of encrypting your folder. If you want to open a password protected folder, then simply follow the previous steps up to this point and uncheck this box that enter your password. Now select apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files and click OK. It is the second radio option in the confirm attributes changes windows. Now simply click the backup your file encryption key in the pop-up message. You can also find the pop-up message in the notifications window by clicking the icon that resembles a square-shaped speech box in the taskbar. Now insert a USB flash drive in a USB port and click Backup Now recommended. This will back up your encryption key to flash drive. This will help prevent losing access to your files if you forgot your password. Then simply click Next 2 times. Now, select Personal Information Exchange PKCS #12 and click Next. This is the default option in the Certificate Export Wizard window. Then click Next in the lower right corner. Now, check the password and enter your password twice. To create a new password, click the checkbox next to the password and then enter your desired password in the two fields below the checkbox. Then simply click Next and it is in the lower right corner of the screen. Now go to the USB drive. Use the file browser to navigate to the location of your USB drive, and this may be temporary D or E drive. Then type a name for the certificate and click Save. This saves the certificate as a .pfx file. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.